Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can edit camera mode smartphone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to camera, and by default, you will see here night mode, video mode, through which you can shoot video, photo mode. You can take normal photo, portrait mode. You can take a background blurred image. Click on more button and you have other 6 options. Pro mode, you can set camera functions like aperture, ISO, shutter speed, etc. Pano mode, you can take a pano, that is a pan picture, and macro option, that is you can take macro picture. Small tiny objects can be maximized through photos, and you can see small particles through photo, that is called macro photo. Then slow motion, slow time lapse, you can set time before shooting, and dual view video. These are only modes, and these are only further modes. If you want to edit modes, just click on this pencil symbol and track the item here, and touch and hold and track camera mode icons to rearrange. So in this way you can edit. For example, I would like to get slow motion in the front panel, so I touch on slow motion and hold and then track and come to the main panel, and it will be fixed in the main panel, and click on done. Now in the main panel, slow motion is available. I just go back and again open camera app, and I can see night mode, video mode, photo mode, portrait. Slow-mo is also comes along with this main menu. So in this way you can easily edit. Suppose if you want to send back camera mode, or if you want to send back any camera mode to the more button, you can do it. Just again go to open camera, click on more. What happens? Open camera, click on more. Some instruction came.